Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful square. Normally I like to make this kind of squares with more colors, but I like it with this way. I hope you like it too. For this square I use Utopia Crafts Rick Cotton yarn. It's an Aran yarn. 100 gram is 150 meters. It's 8% recycled cotton, 20% recycled polyester. And with this one, I use 4.5 millimeter hook. And it's an easy pattern. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can find the link below. And we can start now. Start with a magic ring, but if you're a starter, you can make a slip knot, chain 4, insert into this first chain and make a slip stitch, then work into this ring. For the magic ring, hold the yarn with your finger, rub it around your fingers, rub it one more time but made a cross and hold the yarn. Insert your hook under this first strand. Grab the second, pull it, make a twist. Grab the same yarn and make a chain. That's the magic ring. Chain 3 as a double crochet. And into this ring we are gonna make totally 16 double crochets with this one, okay? Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 3, 10, 11, 16. Close the ring tightly. Now insert into this third chain and put the tail on the top of your hook. We are gonna hide it. Make a slip stitch. That's the end of the first row. For this row we will make 2 double crochets together, cluster, chain 2. Count this one as the first half of the cluster. Yarn over, insert into the same place, chain, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all. That's the first one. Then chain 1. By the way, I'm working around the tail. Insert into this next stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, complete them, chain 1, insert into the next, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 3, all the loops, then chain 1. Now repeat this till the end. I made 16 clusters, then chain 1 and join from this chain, okay? If you join from here, there will be a gap and it will not look good. So join from here. We are gonna start from here anyway. Join with a slip stitch. Chain 3 is a double crochet. Now we are gonna make popcorns. Insert into this one chain space and make 4 more double crochets. It's totally 5. Just leave this loop. Insert from the 3rd chain. Grab the loop, pull it. That's a popcorn. Chain 2. Into this next space, make a popcorn again. We're gonna make popcorns for all the row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Leave the loop, insert from this first stitch, grab the loop and pull it. Then make 2 chains. That's our repeat. I'll meet you at the end. I reached to the end now. Instead of joining with 2 chains, I'm gonna make a chain and insert on the top of this popcorn, grab the yarn over, pull through 2. That's a single crochet, and I will directly start from here. Chain 4 as a treble. Yarn over twice. Insert into this space, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We are giving the square shape now, so we are gonna make trebles, doubles and half doubles. 1 more treble, yeah. Now into this next space, make 3 double crochets. And into the next, make 3 half double crochets. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all. Make 2 more. Make 3 double crochets. And that's the corner. Make 3 trebles and 2 chains, 3 more trebles. 1, 2, 3, 2 chains, into the next, make 3 doubles, make 3 half doubles, 3 doubles, and the corner again, 3 trebles, 2 chains, 3 trebles. Repeat this till the end. I'll meet you there. I'm here into the corner. I'm gonna make 3 trebles, chain 1 and into this 4th chain, join with a single crochet, chain 3. That's the last row and easiest row. You are gonna make 3 double crochets. Okay, it's 3 now. Into this next space, there's not, we don't have a chain here, but you can see it. Make 3 double crochets. That's a regular granny row. Into the next space, make 3 double crochets. And into this corner, make 3 doubles, two chains and 3 more doubles. Repeat this till the end. Into the last corner, I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3 double crochets, chain 2 and join with a slip stitch. Make 1 more chain and that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.